Hello, once again, you're welcome. Have you ever desired to make your hand wash by yourself? If that's your desire, you are in the right place. I'll be teaching us how to use just two ingredients to make this hand wash. And lo and behold, you'll be getting something as good as this. Very well lathered. It forms so well. Just two ingredients. You can do that in the comfort of your home. If that's what you desire, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Hello, once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, oh, you are really welcome. You are in the right place. Okay, what will I be doing today? I will be doing this simple hand wash made from soap. I made simple hand wash made from soap. And I'll be using this mild soap, very mild soap. It's about 50 grams. Okay, it's about 50 grams of it. So make it very mild because you're going to be using it in your hands. Okay, so what is the next thing I will be doing? Of course, I have here my a bowl of water. Currently use warm water. Just use warm water. Okay, to also put the melting fast. Okay, so and then what is the next thing? I'll be adding my fragrance. The fragrance of your choice will be good for it. And then, of course, if you want to change the color from what the my soap is all about, you can use your color. So I'll be coloring it. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'll be slicing this soap into pieces, into bits, very small bits. Okay, just to help melting. Okay. This step, anybody can make this one. You can do it, though it's majorly used for their own use. How you want to learn how to make the hand wash for business or making hand wash from the scratch. You don't have to go through this one. This one just making hand wash from the soap already made. Okay, anybody can make this up. The purpose of using the hand soap made is just to have it in liquid form. Probably it's not convenient for you to be rubbing, or for hygienic purpose you don't have to be rubbing your hand on the soap, so you can convert it to liquid soap and wash. So you pack the soap and put it in the water. Okay, like I said, make this water to be liquid form, that a bit warm to help the soap to melt easily. So I will stir it like this and then leave it to melt, and then when it's done we will come back to see it. And before you know it, your hand may, if you look at my water is about 300 grams, because as it melts, still going to thicken up. Okay, and then if peradventure your hand wash after producing it like this is too watery, I will let you know what you are going to add to it to make it thicken back. Just stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's wait for it to melt and we will come back to show us. Okay, so you can just go ahead and cover it. So this front, if you have watched to this front and you're here to click on that subscribe, just pause a bit and then click on that like button. Yes, like it, please. Like it, and then do another step, take another step, subscribe to this my channel, and then you'll be glad you did. And don't forget to put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be there. Just let's wait, we'll cover it, I will come back to see it. Don't go anywhere. Okay, you can see that it's ready to serve. And see our hand wash already. Yeah, I see it as good. So at this time, all the diet this when it's oil, I mix it in water first and put the rest powder. Let's mix it. Our hand washes available. So simple. So simple. If the color is not yet catchy, or more of the color. Like I said, you can see the difference. You can favor it. So let's see. And our color is ready. I don't need to know add anything to thicken. It's already thicken enough. It's it. Remember, just put it on silver soap. Then I use 300 grams of water. So I'll be having my fragrance. Because it's not much, just add a little fragrance there. And then mix. And then begin to pack and wash. And see it. So you still leave it when the color mix very well and the perfume covering up. If you have watched it this time, I say thank you so much for the time spent. And please, if you are here to like it, do like it. And then follow me for more. Follow me. I will still leave you so that every possible lumps in it still makes. Okay? Just stay tuned. God bless you. Bye. Our hand washes. You can make this a joke. Wash this. It's already taken. Without adding any adna to it, you can see it. Just follow the recipe and you will get it right. Okay, so I'll be pouring it to my bottle now, and I'm going to demonstrate to see how foamy, how it is. So I'll be putting it into this my container here. Okay, and here is it. So I'll be demonstrating. I'll be using it to wash my hand now, and we're going to see it how it lathers so well. Okay, this is the hand wash. You can use the one with a sprayer. You can use the one with the pressing one. You can leave it like this as you want. So we're going to be demonstrating how our hand wash is. Look at it. Can you see it? Can you see how it is? Your hand wash is set so well, so lathered. You can see it. Wow, our hand wash is ready. Look at it. You can't have it better than this. And so if it's something like this you desire to do,